Today's conversation is about a power couple. Two driven individuals building big careers and still choosing each other every single day. From the outside, it looks seamless, but behind it's balance, pressure, and sacrifice, and a lot of understanding. Especially in medicine, where time is scarce and stakes are very high. Partnership isn't just about love, it's about showing up, even on the hardest days. That's what we are exploring today, what it really takes to grow together while chasing excellence.
यू वोंट इमेजिन, ये मुझे मिलने वार्ड में आई थी जब मैं पूरा
And then
नाइट
it was a
करके
government ward. So you can imagine the place where we met.
और मेरा पूरा नाइट हो गया था, इमरजेंसी वाला आई वाज फिजल्ड आउट, क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं पता चला। और ये हम लड़की दिखाने या देखने चली आई, डिनर टेबल पे फोन आ जाता है आईसीयू से।
Oh,
And
लोग
then
बहुत
it
बार आज तक बहुत
switches.
बार सोच चुके हैं कि फोन हम लोग डिनर टेबल पे नहीं लाएंगे, वो कहीं पे दूर रखा होता है और वो बजता है तो फिर पता चलता है कि सह्याद्री से आया है, आईसीयू से आया है, तो फिर उठाना पड़ता है।
how was the parenthood when it came to the parenthood part of it, giving time to the kid? Now he's grown up, so now
काफी पे पापड़ बेलने पड़े इस बारे में। जब ना शुरू में प्रैक्टिस थी ना, तो इसकी प्रैक्टिस पिकअप मैंने लगी थी। मैं थोड़ा स्टूडेंटशिप में था, कॉल आता था तो मैं तो ऐसे ही लुक्का था, मुझे कोई काम ही नहीं था। तो ना मैं क्या करता था, ड्राइव करके लेके जाता था, बच्चा हमारे गोद में रहता था, 1 year old चाइल्ड। जाने के
Not
बाद
even
मैं
one, even
not even one, before that 4-6 months, तो मैं उसको गोदी में ले लेता था ड्राइविंग सीट पे, ये जाके कॉल देख के आती थी, फिर उसको हैंड ओवर करता था। हम लोग तीनों घर पे आते थे बच्चे को लेके।
who is more disciplined overall?
I am
One activity you both enjoy outside work.
travel.
Travel, gym also be because we are gym partners also. So we work out together.
Joining us is Dr. Abhijit Palshekhar, a senior consultant cardiologist with over 17 plus years of expertise in interventional cardiology and advanced cardiac care. Regarded as one of Pune's leading heart specialists, he is widely known for his mastery in complex and high risk procedures. With an impressive clinical track record and a commitment to innovation, Dr. Palshekhar has been instrumental in advancing cardiac care within the hospital settings. His practice is defined by clinical excellence, precision, and compassionate patient centric care. Along with him is his better half, Dr. Vaishali Pathak, a distinguished diabetologist with MD in medicine, specializing in diabetes care and its complications. She follows a patient centric approach, creating personalized plans, combining lifestyle changes, medications, and monitoring. Her practice is rooted in evidence based care with strong focus on patient education and empowerment. She is committed to helping individuals manage diabetes effectively and lead healthier, balanced lives. Hello and welcome to Sayadri Health Talks, where we bring you conversations that goes beyond medicine into the lives and the choices and the stories that shapes healthcare every day. Today's episode is a little different and very special because we are just not going to talk about medicine, we are going to talk about a partnership, both inside and outside the hospital. This is Dr. Tushita, and today I'm extremely delighted to bring you the very first episode of Sayadri Health Talks, The Power Couple. And for that, I have very two special guests who are my very favorite combo. Two very accomplished names when it comes to the healthcare industry, who not only navigate through thriving careers but also live a very successful and peaceful life together. Let's welcome Dr. Vaishali Pathak and Dr. Abhijit Palshekhar. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Welcome on
Hi.
Sayadri Health Talks. Welcome back.
Hello.
And very
Thank
first
you.
episode of this power couple, and I had to start it with both of you. So, how are you to begin with?
We are great.
We are doing great.
So I will, the whole point, the whole purpose of bringing this conversation is to understand how does this power couple works together and what happens when you are not doctors, right? So we will talk a little bit about the clinical part also, but we are more keen to know more about you both. So to starting with, so जब आप लोग मिले एक दूसरे से, when you met each other, you already met as a doctor, or how was it? Where did it start?
फ्रैंकली इट स्टार्टेड एज अ डॉक्टर
अच्छा
ये जो रिश्ता आया था मेरे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट टीचर है कुलकर्णी सर, उनके रिलेशन थे इनके फैमिली के साथ, तो उन्होंने वो प्रपोजल लाया था एंड यू वोंट इमेजिन ये मुझे मिलने वार्ड में आई थी जब मैं पूरा
And then
night
it was a
करके
government ward. So you can imagine the place where we met.
और मेरा पूरा नाइट हो गया था इमरजेंसी वाला, आई वाज फिजल्ड आउट, क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं पता चला, और ये हम लड़की दिखाने या देखने चली आई दैट वाज द सिनेरियो। डॉक्टर का रूम रहता है वार्ड के बाजू में, वहां पे हम लोगों का पहला इंटरेक्शन हुआ था एज अ डॉक्टर।
so कैसा था? I mean, you saw him busy?
Yeah, he was busy. He was all into his career. So मैंने सोचा कि हाँ, तो ये खुद इतना करियर ओरिएंटेड है तो मुझे भी अपना करियर करने देगा। That was my first thing because anyhow, I mean, I was sure I was getting MD medicine after my internship. I was doing my internship at that point of time. So मैंने सोचा कि हाँ, ये इतना करियर ओरिएंटेड है तो मुझे तो पक्का करियर करने देगा। So that was like a first tick to go on. Like हाँ, चलो।
So check box, first check box
Yes,
done.
yes, absolutely.
So you both wanted to have a partner from the same field, I mean medical field?
Yes, yes.
That was yours.
Because I believe then that compatibility is better and understanding of each other when there are emergencies, the other person understands the other one. Otherwise क्या होता है कि मैं रात को कॉल देखने जाऊँ या मैं डिनर पे जा रही हूँ और मुझे कोई ICU जाना पड़ता है तो other person might get upset and may not understand the importance of the medical fraternity where it's a life and death situation.
So how long has this bond been? I mean, how long are you guys married?
27 plus years.
Oh my God. Do you even remember the life which you had before without each other?
No. I have totally forgotten.
Totally forgotten. So how, I mean, so that's what you had in your mind, right, before you met each other. So now from 27 years, what do you feel? I mean, has it strengthened your own personal space and the growth, or how is it?
Absolutely. See, a medico can understand a medico better, especially both of us being in a emergency field. किसी को रात के उठ के जाना पड़ता है, फोन्स लेने पड़ते हैं, तो मेडिको और नॉन मेडिको मैच नहीं कर पाते. If you are doing the same field, it better you understand each other. कॉमन फील्ड है, जैसे मेडिसिन करके मैंने कार्डियोलॉजी किया है, शी हैज डन मेडिसिन एंड एंडोक्राइनोलॉजी, तो हम लोगों को बेसिक जो है एमडी मेडिसिन इज कॉमन, सो हम तो एक दूसरे को अच्छी तरह से पहचानते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली क्या एक्सपेक्टेड है, काम की डिमांड क्या रहती है और उसको कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करता है, तो दैट ऑब्वियसली स्ट्रेंथन्स आवर रिलेशनशिप.
I totally agree.
So is there any time where you don't talk about medicine? Do you switch off also from this?
Many times.
Okay.
हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि जब हम घर
So you
पे
have rules.
we have tried to set the rules, but नहीं होता है.
नहीं, फिसल जाता है.
हाँ, फिसल जाता है.
So what is the typical
decide
dinner
कि आज
table
हम
conversation?
कोई फोन नहीं लेंगे, पर वैसे नहीं होता है. Then we decide like let's talk about like some travel, let's talk about something else. बात करते करते we come down to medicine. So I have understood one thing that we both are first the doctors and then the husband and wife, then probably the parents, because वो चीज कहीं ना कहीं बाद में कहीं से वापस वही आ जाती है.
So when a typical evening time at Palshekhar Pathak's house, Dr. Palshekhar Pathak's house, dinner time, plate आई, conversations क्या होते हैं कि आज बताओ केस क्या हुआ?
नहीं वैसे
डिनर टेबल पे फोन आ जाता है आईसीयू से.
And
लोग
then
बहुत
it
बार आज तक बहुत
switches.
बार सोच चुके हैं कि फोन हम लोग डिनर टेबल पे नहीं लाएंगे, वो कहीं पे दूर रखा होता है और वो बचता है, तो फिर पता चलता है कि सह्याद्री से आया है, आईसीयू से आया है, तो फिर उठाना पड़ता है, तो वी डिसाइड, बट देन
ultimately. But when we sit on a dinner table, we talk about something else, like what happened, how was your day, because we hardly, though we are working in Sahyadri, we
Same
hardly
place,
meet
yeah.
each other unless we come across in the ICU.
Ward, या फिर maybe rounds
पे
होंगे
मिलते
शायद
हैं.
आप लोग.
OPD में भी we have a same clinic, but his cabin is on the other extreme side of the clinic and mine is on that, so we don't see each other till late evenings, post 7 o'clock. So decide करते हैं कि कम से कम हम बात करेंगे about the patients and the cases and the day to day thing, but कई बार वो it just fizzles out and we get on to the medicine part of it.
So on emotionally demanding days, right, where you have some emotional moments during the days, but again some tough which clashes with very tough days at work. So how do you balance it out?
घर पे जाना itself is making a little bit of peace in time basically. और वी अंडरस्टैंड each other की डिमांडिंग क्या हो जाता है, वी नो द सिचुएशन, पेशेंट से हो गई, ऑपरेटिव की टेयरमैन हो गई, तो हम लोग अंडरस्टैंड करते तो घर आके रिलैक्स करके उल्टा एक दूसरे को बता के हम लोग थोड़ा सा वी गेट रिलैक्स रादर देन गेटिंग टेंस.
I generally put on music because that is one thing we love each other.
जैसे मुझे पता है, सर ने मुझे बताया था वन ऑफ द डेज व्हेन वी हैड कॉन्वर्सेशन कि हिज बेस्ट वे ऑफ डिस्ट्रेसिंग इज ही जस्ट गेट्स लॉस्ट विद हिज कलर्स एंड ही इज एन एब्सोल्यूट लवली पेंटर.
नहीं मैं पेंटर हूँ, मगर ना पेंटिंग जब करता हूँ ना तो मुझे आजू बाजू में कोई नहीं लगता है. मेरी बिल्ली भी बाज साथ में मुझे नहीं लगती है, तो आई नीड दैट कंसंट्रेशन, देन आई गेट लॉस्ट इन. इट्स माय हॉबी, बट बेसिकली आई नीड लॉट ऑफ मी स्पेस व्हेन आई पेंट. सो ये पेंटिंग तब काम नहीं आता जब मैं स्ट्रेस्ड आउट.
तो शॉर्ट
Normally we just calm down. We don't speak about that the matter what has happened the whole day. Then we switch on TV or then we decide we कोई छोटा सा TV कोई movie देख ले या switch on some nice music where you just kind of relax and go off to sleep early so that day ends little early.
So on outside work, like how you said that you love listening to music, sir needs real good space to get into painting, but what are the other things which is very common between both of you? One I know is you both love to travel.
Exactly.
Yes.
So your traveling stories are something which I are my personal favorite. So apart from that, what are the other things which you love doing together or you frequently do it together?
We cook sometimes together.
Achha.
We bake, we cook. Yeah. But we don't cook. I mean, roti sabzi कुछ कभी
Something off it.
सब्जी something कभी ravioli बना ली, कभी from scratch, कभी lasagna बना लिया, कभी
अरे
bake
वाह.
कर लिया.
When are you
Tomato
inviting
rice
me?
बना
हाँ?
लिया.
When are you inviting me?
Anytime. Just phone कर.
8 o'clock you are most welcome.
Well,
at
most
our-
welcome. Anytime.
So, what helps you maintain the balance between this relationship and work? Because, as a doctors, you cannot completely cut off. Like the non-healthcare professionals are there. Like for them, work-life balance is like laptop shut karo, calls नहीं आने बंद हो जाता है after a certain point of time. But for both of you, it is not possible because आपको तो शायद रात को, I mean, I doubt if you get any peaceful sleep because most of the times you will get calls from the emergency. The same is with you as well.
Yes.
So how do you balance it out? The right work-life balance, how do you maintain?
There is no work-life balance. That's
Frankly, सच में बोलूँ तो मुझे कम से कम रात में 3-4 फोन आ जाते हैं ICU से, इनको 3-4 फोन आ जाते हैं, तो आप सोचो 10 फोन कॉल रात में आते हैं. नाउ ग्रेजुअली वी आर यूज्ड टू कि हम लोग आंसर करते हैं, दूसरे का फोन भी सुनते हैं, आंसर करते थे, फिर सो जाते हैं. तो दैट इज व्हाट इट हैज बिकम. सो कंप्लीट स्विच ऑफ इज नो वर्ड इन कार्डियोलॉजी एंड मेडिसिन. तो वो यू हैव टू लिव विद इट, उसके साथ पीस बनाना पड़ता है. जितना हो सके वो उतना लाइफ में ना आने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. एक्चुअली मैं जब वो एमडी कर रही थी तो आई वाज सॉर्ट ऑफ टीचर लेक्चरर फॉर हर. तो मैं इसको हमेशा बोलता था कि आप वार्ड में जाते हो तो वो जो स्ट्रेस है, टेंशन है, वो घर पे मत लेके आओ. तो मैं उनको पढ़ाया है, मगर अभी उल्टा हो गया है. मैं स्ट्रेस ले घर पे लेके आता हूँ, वो शांत रहती है. सो नाउ अभी वो गुरु हो गई है.
So what does ma'am has to say about it?
I know work is my life. But there is another life wherein I am a mother, I am a wife, I am a daughter. So I believe that's also a very important role because ultimately उनका growth, उनका सब कुछ भी मेरे ही हाथ में है. It's my son who's 21 years old. The teens are demanding. My husband's cardiology is very demanding. I have a old mother. उसके पास भी मुझे देखना पड़ता है. तो I can't leave those aspects of my life when I'm a doctor. So मैं 50% डॉक्टर हूँ तो 50% मेरे ये relations भी हैं. So when I come back home, I sit in a car for a minute. If it's a stressful day, I tell myself कि now it's over. Now my second role starts. I have to go up and do my other duty.
Correct.
तो पर वो मुझे धीरे धीरे जमने लगा है, जबकि मुझे सिखाया था इसने. और he probably he gave it to me and he forgotten that it was taught to me. Now he brings whole सह्याद्री home. तो मैं आजकल कभी कभी बोलती हूँ उसको, तो मैं तुमको कल ही मैंने बोला, एक पिलो, एक गद्दी और एक चद्दर तुम्हें दे देती हूँ, यू स्टे इन द कैथ लैब, बिकॉज आई बिलीव उसको घर से कैथ लैब ज्यादा पसंद है.
मुझे हमेशा बोलती है तुम कैथ लैब में रहते हो ना, खुश खुश रहते
खुश
हो.
रहते. ही इज ऑलवेज वेरी हैप्पी, ही इज वेरी चिरपी, ही इज लिटिल सीरियस एट होम, दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव. मैंने कहा तुम सब कुछ उठा के ना वही रह लो, मैं सब भेज देती हूँ, डब्बा भी भेज दिया करूंगी.
So, one thing I really wanted to ask both of you is, you both being in such demanding profession, right, and such busy careers which you have, how was the parenthood when it came to the parenthood part of it, giving time to the kid? Now he's grown up, so now
काफी पापड़ बेलने पड़े इस बारे में. जब ना शुरू में प्रैक्टिस थी ना, तो इसकी प्रैक्टिस पिकअप होने लगी थी. मैं थोड़ा स्टूडेंटशिप में था, एग्जाम गोइंग था, तो ये ना शाम को 5 बजे क्लिनिक चली जाती थी, तो बच्चों को संभालना मेरा जॉब था.
अच्छा.
दिन भर उसका जॉब रहता था. तो वी यूज्ड टू डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स. आपको सच नहीं लगेगा, मगर कोई रात में 2 बजे इसका कॉल आता था, तो मैं तो ऐसे ही लुक्खा था, मुझे कोई काम ही नहीं था. तो ना मैं क्या करता था, ड्राइव करके लेके जाता था. बच्चा हमारे गोद में रहता था, 1 year old चाइल्ड. जाने के
Not
बाद
even
मैं
one, even
नॉट इवन वन, बिफोर दैट 4-6 months. तो मैं उसको गोदी में ले लेता था ड्राइविंग सीट पे, ये जाके कॉल देख के आती थी, फिर उसको हैंड ओवर करता था. हम लोग तीनों घर पे आते थे बच्चे को लेके. सो यहाँ से हम लोगों ने शुरू किया, एंड दिस ऑल ओनली फॉर 200 rupees एट नाइट. सो वहाँ से शुरू किए.
This is like 20 years ago, I'm telling you, because we were very new in Pune, so nobody knew us in Pune. The only thing to know you was that work hard. So work hard के लिए say not to say no to any patient, any call, any OPD, anything, whatever comes your way, just do it.
Just do
so for that, of course, I don't know मेरे son का क्या कहना है. Maybe you'll have to ask him, but
maybe we can have another podcast where we
with him.
invite him also.
So
फिर धीरे धीरे ऐसे होने लगा कि मैं शाम को फिर उसको मूवीज लेके जाता था, कहीं गार्डन लेके जाता था. शी यूज्ड टू प्रैक्टिस. मैं जब बिजी रहता था तो शी यूज्ड टू. फिर धीरे धीरे ऐसे कंपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन हो गया कि आई मीन स्कूल का पूरा मैटर वो देखेगी, खेलने का मैटर मैं देखूंगा. तो फिर पता है ये चक्कर में मैंने बहुत सारी ना वो बच्चों की कार्टून मूवीज आती है ना, इतनी सारी देखी है कि आप पूछो मत.
So that's how you both managed it. So ma'am, ये सवाल ना actually मुझे आपसे पूछना है, and I want you to also put a word out there to all our audience. We being ladies, we always feel, and especially when we are working, we always feel that we are not doing justice to the kid because we are working. Am I being too ambitious? Or मेरे को बच्चे पे ध्यान देना चाहिए था. Many of the ladies, they drop off their full-fledged careers. So, but you have managed it so well, of course, with a very supporting partner, sir being such supportive partner. So, what message do you want to give out to all the viewers out there?
I would definitely say that definitely motherhood is a very very important stage of your life. वो टाइम वापस नहीं आता है जब बच्चे छोटे से होके बड़े हो जाते हैं. आफ्टर 18 years of life they don't actually need you, but उसके लिए करियर कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड किड्स ऑल्सो डू अंडरस्टैंड the kids of the working mothers are always very independent. That's what I have seen. So they do understand, they respect you also, and most importantly they look high upon you. Because if there is a daughter, if there is a son, they will always look high upon you, that my mother is a doctor, my mother is a pilot, my mother is an engineer, and she's working hard and she has got some place in the society,
self identity.
Yes, so they look high upon you. So इसके लिए तुम्हें करियर छोड़ने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है. You just need a supporting partner. You need people at home like parents, grandparents या in-laws है, वो अगर आपको support करते हैं, then it's a beautiful journey to work and bring up your child also.
Lovely. So that was about knowing a little bit about both of you. Now bringing in the the most power-packed combo of this episode, and the most power-packed theme, that is you being in the fields of internal medicine, dealing with chronic conditions like diabetes, hypertension and all that stuff, which eventually uncontrolled lands here. So we will talk a little bit about it, right? So begin with what defines your approach when it comes to the chronic disease management?
Chronic diseases are like blood pressure or hypertension or diabetes. what is required is lifestyle modifications are very, very important. The whole lot of these diseases have come into, you know, in India, where we are seeing a rising trend, is all because of you know, bad lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, eating junk. Swiggy, Zomatos are available at your fingertips. So अगर आप regular exercise करो, 30 to 40 minutes of exercise, cutting down on salt, cutting down on carbohydrates, doing some meditation and keeping your head cool, all these things definitely help you. And then if you still have some diseases, then follow up with your doctor, listen to their advices and do accordingly, will definitely prevent पेशेंट्स टू गेटिंग इनटू हिम. मैं अपने पेशेंट्स को बोलती हूँ, अगर आपको अभिजीत के पास नहीं जाना है तो मेरे पास मेरे बात सुन लो और मेरे पास रेगुलरली आके शुगर्स दिखाओ. नहीं तो आपको बार बार उनके पास जाना पड़ेगा, जो कि आपके हार्ट के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं और आपकी जेब के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं.
Beautiful. So, as ma'am is saying, right? So now, you know, the entire discussions. There is a lot of discussion happening on the young heart attacks and all that stuff. So, how do you manage in the decision making part of this complex cases, which comes from there, or you know, in general, that comes to you? How do you do the decision making of such cases?
See, treatment modality जो choose करनी है, that depends on the disease patient has got and the age patient has got. अभी young patient है, उसको stent डालनी अच्छी चीज़ नहीं, तो lot of things have come up in modern cardiology, जिसमें एक चीज़ है जिसको हम लोग स्टेंटलेस एंजियोप्लास्टी बोलते हैं, मेटललेस एंजियोप्लास्टी, जहाँ पे मैं प्रेफर नहीं करता हूँ कि 21 इयर्स का लड़का है, उसको हार्ट अटैक आया तो उसको मैं स्टेंट डाले, तो मेटललेस आ चुका है. और लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स डिपेंड ऑन द लाइफस्टाइल पेशेंट इज गोइंग टू अडॉप्ट. तो हम लोग उसको भी पूरी तरह के अच्छे से उसको समझाते हैं आगे लाइफस्टाइल कैसे रखे और पेशेंट क्या थेरेपी अडॉप्ट करता है. ये तीन चीज़ों पे बेसिकली ट्रीटमेंट मॉड्यूलरिटी डिसाइड होती है.
So, ma'am, how frequently do you see this intersection between, you know, your chronic cases and those who land up?
A lot.
Here.
I would say 70% of the cardiac
70%.
cases, yes, do have diabetes as a baseline disease. Because we know that in medical terminology ki uncontrolled diabetes definitely leads to microvascular and macrovascular complications, which out of which जैसे eyes है, तुम्हारे feet है, तो heart is one of the main organs. So 70% of the cases who come many times to us as a first case of you know, cardiac case eventually turns out to be newly detected diabetic, or the sugars are on higher side, and many of them are like, you know, past diabetics but never like on a good control, and they end up getting heart attacks, or you know, they have to undergo angioplasties or pacemakers, etc.
And when do these cases typically reach you? I mean, what stage do you see them in?
अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे पास जब पेशेंट आते हैं वो अटैक में आते हैं तब उनको पता चलता है कि कुछ ब्लॉक है. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. अनअवेयरनेस बोलिए, रूटीन चेकअप नहीं है बोलिए. यूजुअली कार्डियक केस जब आता है तो ऑलरेडी कॉम्प्लिकेट हो चुका होता है. बहुत बार अटैक के बाद पेशेंट को पता, शुगर चेक करते तो पता चलता है कि बहुत हाई थी, कब से चल रही पता नहीं था. सो यूजुअली एनी कार्डियक इवेंट, चाहे वो हार्ट अटैक हो, अनस्टेबल एंजाइना हो, वो बहुत लेट प्रेजेंटेशन है. ये स्टेज में मैं पेशेंट को नहीं चाहता हूँ. रूटीन चेकअप में पता चले तो जल्दी कंट्रोल हो सकता है, उनको शायद एंजियोप्लास्टी की ज़रूरत ना पड़ी, मगर मेरे पास बहुत लेट आते हैं पेशेंट.
So, what are the delays and assumptions that you see in the patients, in your patients typically, who eventually land up in interventions?
First thing, very irregular follow. आज अगर बोला है कि 2 महीने बाद वापस आके शुगर्स करो, HbA1c करो, they will come back after 1 year. They will come back after 3 years, and then when they come back after 3 years, they come with some or the other complications like retinopathy है, nephropathy है, या cardiac issue है, या तो ये बोलते आएंगे कि कल से थोड़ा सीने में दर्द हो रहा है, सॉरी मैम हम नहीं आए 3-4 साल से, बट अभी देख लेंगे. The sugars, हाँ, the sugars you will see they are in the range of 300-400, and when you do the ECG, तो फिर of course I have to direct the patient to him. अब उस टाइम डांटने से भी फायदा नहीं होता है, because the ball has already gone the other side. So
what is the most dangerous interpretation or misconception that you have seen in patients? Most dangerous.
हमें कुछ हो नहीं रहा था इसलिए हम आए ही नाही. मला काही त्रासच नव्हता होत म्हणून मी आलोच नाही. मला वाटलं सगळं व्यवस्थित चाललंय, मग कशासाठी यायचं.
इसमें एक मजे की बात बताऊं, अभी ना मैंगो का सीजन चल रहा है ना,
हाँ.
पेशेंट गायब हो जाते हैं, उनको पता है शुगर ज्यादा है।
Seriously?
सीरियसली दे
I had highest OPD in the last month telling that we came to check our sugars so that अगले 2 महीने आना नहीं पड़े because 2 ही महीने तो मैंगोज होते हैं, so we are going to eat mangoes, trust me.
I mean that clear.
They are that clear. और दिवाली है तो दिवाली के पहले you will have a loads of patients in the
हाँ.
OPD. Post दिवाली you can also relax and chill in the OPD because क्यों आना है, मालूम है शुगर तो बढ़ने ही वाला है. So
बढ़ने ही
people
वाला
are
है.
like not ready to compromise their food at all.
So when does this prevention window starts closing down? I mean, from there to here.
बेसिकली व्हेन यू कॉम्प्लिकेट टू मच, आई मीन आपका शुगर्स कंट्रोल में नहीं है, आप स्मोकिंग कर रहे हो, बाय द टाइम एक एक कॉम्प्लिकेशन होता है. सी इट इज नेवर लेट. जो आपको अटैक भी आ गया, कुछ नेफ्रोपैथी हो गई, इट इज नेवर लेट टू प्रिवेंट फर्दर एपिसोड. ये ऐसे नहीं कि एक ही बार में आखिरी वाला एपिसोड हो जाए, तो ये एपिसोड होते रहते हैं, तो इट इज नेवर लेट. विंडो नेवर क्लोजेस. आपको इवेंट हो गया, फिर भी आपने ये सब कंट्रोल किया लाइफस्टाइल से, तो आप काफ़ी चीज़ें प्रिवेंट कर सकते हो. तो इट इज़ नेवर क्लोजिंग विंडो.
So in सब के बीच में भी, where is the biggest opportunity to change the outcomes in patient, prognosis or the treatment part of it?
Earlier the better. I keep, whenever new patient comes to me, I frankly tell them that you control your sugars. Keep your sugars like a non-diabetic person. I mean fasting below 100, postprandial below 150. I can sign the document that nothing will happen to you for next 25, 30, 40 years. That is the thing, that try to keep your sugars like a non-diabetic patient. That's it. They don't have to do anything. And nowadays, since you see a lot of obesity patients, I tell them that obesity is mother of all the diseases. So you just control your weight. Rest all things will be done by us. And listen to your doctor. Your doctor is telling you to live healthy for longer years. So this is the key message to the patients. Few of them, they do listen. Few of them, they don't.
One change that makes the most difference.
Exercise, early age exercise, so that your metabolism is right, correct pace basically, and that will change a lot of perspective in the future.
Okay. So now coming back to the next segment of knowing you both a little bit more. So I'll start with Vaishali ma'am first. Early mornings or late nights, what suits you better?
Early mornings.
Okay. Why?
पहले उल्टा था, but now since I preach people that sleep is most important factor of your recuperation, so मैं भी खुद follow करने की कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं भी
So you
जल्दी सो
start your
जाऊँ.
mornings early.
हाँ, start. We both go to the gym at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, great.
Because
So that's couple goals.
yeah, so that's couple goals. So we get up at 5:30 and try to hit the gym by 6. So तो अपने आप अर्ली मॉर्निंग पर्सन हो गए.
हो गए. One habit you never compromise on, no matter how busy life gets.
My exercise and my diet. I'm like,
So you don't cheat?
I cheat only on weekends, that to something. Otherwise, I'm like very.
Is she a foodie?
She is not, I am.
वही प्रॉब्लम होता है ना.
वही सोचो ना, मेरी वाइफ डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट है तो कितना मुश्किल होता होगा.
My father used to tell my son that you are the most unlucky kid because your mom is a diabetologist. She will watch everything in your plate. What are you eating? What are you not eating?
So your son complains?
A lot.
Okay. When you truly switch off, what does that look like for you?
Quiet evening, a cup of a coffee. I am a coffee lover, so a cup of a coffee in my hand and maybe some Jagjit Singh ghazal. That is what. और उससे भी ऊपर नहीं होता, then I try to cook something so that relieves my lot of pressure.
Stress buster.
Yes.
Yeah. One small daily ritual that keeps you grounded.
Humbleness. Be sincere to your patients and put 100% when you're on a working field. I mean, because for me, I believe that my every move, every action, everything is life for someone.
Okay. Who is stricter about lifestyle at home, you or Dr. Abhijit?
Obviously she
Under
is.
that I think now I can also guess. One thing about Dr. Abhijit you deeply admire.
he is very passionate about his work. At any given point of time, I feel like I should be like him. He just loves his career like anything. He puts all his heart and actions into learning more. Last week only he went abroad and learned the tower protocol, and then now he's planning to he does it, but then he wanted to
So it's like
know the
constant
nitty-gritties of
upgrading and all that.
upgrading himself. He still has one more fellowship program where he wants to attend. So I really admire. मुझसे इतना नहीं होता है, पर he is like कितना भी पढ़ो, he wants to learn more. He still buys books. I mean the cardiology books, and he still reads from zero to all the pages. And as well as he is an avid lover of reading. So he reads lots of books. I must be having at least 600-700 books at my home.
Oh, great. Okay. One thing he does that instantly reminds you he is always a doctor.
I don't think he can be anything other than a doctor. So it reminds me 24/7 that he is a doctor.
ये और मेरा लड़का वो दोनों बोलते हैं कि आप डॉक्टर छोड़ के कुछ दिख ही नहीं सकते हो.
I mean, your patients must be so happy to hear that. I swear. And she will be, I mean, your son will be more, disappointed.
Yeah.
My papa is always a doctor. So he never gets to play doctor.
Yeah.
Work-life balance in one word or one sentence. Work-life balance.
Yeah, you should be able to switch off from your career sometime in the day so that you enjoy your own life, your family life. It becomes very difficult after certain years of career, but then you should be learning, especially when you are giving time to your wife, you are giving time to your son or your kid. So that is the balance you need to keep up. You should have some space for your family.
Okay. One piece of advice you give others but also follow yourself. आपके लिए.
मेरे लिए I said exercise is non-negotiable, diet is non-negotiable. These things, if everybody follows, and I do myself. So I believe अगर मैं टेबल के इस साइड बैठी हूँ, अगर मैं वो खुद ना करूँ, I have no right to preach it to others.
अच्छा.
So I definitely follow it up, and I expect all my patients to follow it up, because that will keep their sugars under control, that will keep their obesity under control, and eventually they will not have to go to a cardiologist, neurologist or a nephrologist, and that is what is my goal for all my patients.
So I wanted to ask you also this, work-life balance in one sentence for you.
Same as he said that try to switch off once you are back home from your work. Give quality time to your husband, your mom, your kid. I have a cat at home, to my cat also, so that that quality time, they should not feel that I'm just there and my mind is in Sahyadri. Though this thing should not be there. It has to be full-heartedly giving time to them, listening to their problems, listening to their happiness, playing with them. Even if you're watching movie, you're listening to music, you're eating some nice dinner, it has to be 100%. You should be 100% there to be with them.
A simple moment in your day that you look forward to, maybe the favorite part of the day.
Me and my coffee for like 15-20 minutes.
And when does that typically happen?
It's in the morning post my gym.
So that's your favorite part of the day.
Yes.
Okay, now moving to sir. High energy days or quiet evenings? What do you prefer?
High energy days always.
I think I can only answer these now. अब तो मैं जान गई.
तुमने पूछना ही नहीं चाहिए था.
नहीं, quiet moment आप enjoy कर सकते हो when your day is busy. Okay, work hard, party harder. That's how. I mean, day busy नहीं है तो मजा ही नहीं है ना, शाम में मजा.
शाम का मजा नहीं. वो भी सही है. One habit you consciously maintain for your own well-being.
Exercise.
So that's the non-negotiable.
Absolutely.
What helps you disconnect after a long day?
A cup of coffee and a music.
Perfect. One principle you follow both as a professional and as a partner.
Diet and exercise again.
Who switches off from work faster, you or Dr. Vaishali? One thing about Dr. Vaishali that you truly respect.
Actually, what she preaches, she actually follows. Let it be diet, exercise, and work-life balance. She actually follows those, and then teaches people. So that is one thing I really admire.
One thing about her that makes you feel she's always in the doctor mode. I think the dinner tables.
Absolutely. She's watching what calories we are eating, what protein intake we are having. So that is doctor mode.
That's
there
the doctor
again.
mode on. Okay. A moment in the day that you value the most.
After say completing my role in the hospital, when we go back and we wind up the day, and that peaceful moment is the one which I'm looking forward, and that's most precious for me.
One decision making trait you rely on the most.
Decision has to be immediate. Okay, so I'm the person who is what you say, immediate decision maker, and that always helps. आप उसमें बने रहते हो, वही सोचते रहते हो, you are not able to make decision. So that has to be there.
Has to be there. Okay. Now these are open to both of you. Who gives more health advice at home?
Obviously.
Who is more disciplined overall?
I am.
Who brings work conversations home more often?
Me, obviously.
Who handles stressful days better?
She.
Who is more likely to remind the other to slow down?
She.
So,
So a lot of, yes, at home, a lot of advice and regulation, stress handling is by her. I'm little, what you say, obsessive compulsive disorder type of guy who brings lot of stuff from work to the home, and she has to control that.
okay. One word for your partnership. I'll start with sir.
It's perfect, and it is seasoned over 27 years.
Lovely, ma'am.
It's going great, and I look forward to spending many more such years with him, with a good balance of profession and a personal life.
That's what
And I look forward to a lot of travel, with him.
What's on the bucket list, by the way?
A lot many. Till now we have completed together some 31 or 32 countries. So my to go is at least मुझे 100 countries तो देखने ही देखने.
देखने. तो next वाला कब planned है? How soon?
पता नहीं अभी सोचा ही नहीं है.
One activity you both enjoy outside work.
travel.
Travel, gym also be because we are gym partners also. So we work out together.
So you do it how many days in a week?
4 days, 5 days
Minimum.
Minimum.
Complete this. Together we are.
Perfect couple.
Together we are.
Complement each other.
I'll say together you are power couple. Thank you so much for coming on this podcast, ma'am and sir. And it was lovely having you, and it's always lovely to talk to both of you. I wish I could continue this for even longer. But before I let both of you go, one piece of advice from each one of you to our audience with regards to the lifestyle and health. So I'll start with sir.
I advocate only 4 things which matter actually when cardiac disease is concerned. First thing is regular exercise. Second is your eating habit. Third is no addictions, especially to tobacco in any form. And last thing is keeping your mind cool with some sort of meditation you like.
Perfect, ma'am.
I feel consistency to whatever Abhijit has advocated is very important. So I would say, तुम जो भी कर रहे हो, do it consistent over the period of time. Be it exercise, be it no addiction, be it low salt, no carbohydrates, high protein diet. जो भी आप कर रहे हो, do it consistently over a longer period of time or rest of your life. I am sure they will be off these chronic disorders and diseases in life.
Lovely having both of you on this podcast, and thank you so much for giving me this time on a Sunday, and I look forward to coming up with some more ways of calling you back on this couch again. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Tushita. Thank you.
This is Dr. Tushita signing off, Sayadri Health Talks.